Do you want to know how you can easily earn free Bitcoin from your phone? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I love testing different ways to make money online. And I also love using different platforms that pay in crypto. And many of you have asked me for the best and easiest way to earn free Bitcoin from your phone. And therefore I decided to record this video where I'll show you my top 8 favorite platforms for this. So before I go over the options I want to show you, then let's first make it clear what you can expect when it comes to earning free Bitcoin from your phone. Because yes, it definitely is possible. There are legit and realistic ways to do this, but you will also find a lot of videos and a lot of information online from people that claim like, oh, earn 1 Bitcoin daily just by clicking a button and things like that. That's just not gonna happen. Of course not. Not unless you have a huge portfolio and are willing to risk a lot of money or something like that, then maybe, right? But overall, if we're talking about free, realistic methods, you won't become rich. You won't earn a fortune overnight or anything like that. What I'm talking about here is if you are willing to do some small tasks and in return get paid in Bitcoin. So you do not have to invest anything at all to get the Bitcoin, and you can earn some nice extra crypto and Bitcoin like that, but of course not something that will make you rich. That's important to understand, so you do it with the right expectations. And anyone that claims that you can become rich by clicking a button or something like that, just stop listening to them, because they will definitely end up wasting your time and in some cases even scam you. But let's now go over these options I wanted to show you. It's not as such a prioritized list, because which of the options that are the best, that depends on your personal preferences and which kind of tasks you prefer to do, and also the country you live in. So when it comes to earning free Bitcoin or crypto fast from your phone or your computer for that matter, then we have to talk about FreeCash, which is a get paid to site, one of my favorite get paid to sites, because it offers a lot of different ways to earn by, for example, playing games, taking paid service, participating in free contests, claiming free rewards daily. It has a lot of different options. And it also has an app for Android devices, but if you want to earn from your iOS device, you can just do it through the browser. But when it comes to then Bitcoin, you can see it offers that as a reward, as well as other crypto and also PayPal. And you can take out Bitcoin already when you've earned $2. For some other cryptos, you only need to earn 25 or 50 cents to take out crypto. So a very low payout threshold. And in my experience, and I've been paid by FreeCash in general many times, they process the payments super fast. In most cases, within minutes. So the next option is a way where you can actually earn free Bitcoin passively, because it is called Pawns, and you can install it on your phone, but you can also install it on other devices, and then you will earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth just by being online. So you don't have to do anything else. You can also in some countries find paid service and really boost your earnings that way. And you only need to earn $5 to take out your earnings as Bitcoin. You can also get paid in cash via PayPal or choose between different gift cards. And if you join through an invitation link, you will also get a $1 joining bonus into your account right away. I'll leave the invitation link for Pawns and for all the other options I'm talking about in this video here below, so you can go there and easily join the ones that you want to join. Next on the list we have Timebox, and Timebox is a get paid to site you can join from basically all countries and find small tasks. It can be like micro tasks, social media tasks, it can be to install apps. There's a lot of paid service in some countries, and it keeps just adding different small tasks in overall. I've tested it for years, so I know that regularly they introduce new earning methods. And then you can get paid in Litecoin or Bitcoin. It also offers to pay in cash in different methods. And you can also just set it up so it pays automatically. As long as you've earned $10 that week, you will just get it weekly. And that's definitely convenience. You do not actually have to go there manually and request a payout. Next we have Coinsupply. This is a get paid to site that is specialized in crypto rewards. You can only earn crypto. Bitcoin is one of them, but it also offers to pay out in a couple of other different cryptos. And you can join the platform for more or less all countries. You can earn by playing games, clicking ads, watching videos, taking paid surveys. It has its own games in there. Overall, a lot of different ways to earn. Next we have Peer-to-Profit, and Peer-to-Profit is another way to earn Bitcoin or other cryptos passively. You just install it and then you earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, and you can do this from all countries. And for some trades you only need to earn a couple of dollars before you can cash out, and it doesn't only offer Bitcoin as reward, but also many other cryptos. It's one of the biggest selection of crypto rewards that I have seen out of all the different get paid to sites that I have tested. But before moving to the last 3 options, let's just also quickly talk about how you can actually take out your crypto. And one of my preferred methods to do this when I earn it, or in general having crypto, is the Crypto.com app, because it is just super user friendly. It has some great features, and also they do offer a $25 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. And in addition to that, they are actually the kind sponsor of this video. So therefore, I also just want to give them a shout out and just quickly give you an inside look so you can see a little bit more about it and what it offers before we go over the last 3 options. So the Crypto.com app is super user friendly, and you have many features here. It makes it super easy to, for example, buy or sell cryptos. It has a lot of different cryptos here. You can also use missions to earn free crypto rewards just by doing whatever you're doing inside the app anyways. It's very good like that. And also you can earn interest just by having crypto standing here on many different cryptocurrencies. So it's a great way to earn passive like that. And they also have a Visa card that makes it super easy to spend the crypto you have. And in addition to that, they offer a $25 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. I have such an invitation link. I will leave that below. So if you want a super user-friendly crypto app, then check that out and use my code, and then you can qualify for the $25 joining bonus. So back to the list, and here we have Feature Points, which is both a get paid to site and an app, and you can join it from more or less all countries. And you can do all kind of small tasks here, playing games, taking paid surveys, finding paid offers. I must say, to be honest, that I've used it for years, and it has some things that are not quite as great anymore as it used to be, but it still is a real way to earn free Bitcoin and other rewards. And you can take out your earnings as Bitcoin once you've earned $10. Next we have Survey Time. And Survey Time both has a website, but it also has an app both for Android and iOS devices. And as the name suggests, it is specialized in paid surveys. And you will actually get $1 per survey, no matter how long it is and no matter the country you live in. So it's a little bit unusual like that. Sometimes that means that it gives really good rewards for your time, other times not that great. But what I really like about it is that it pays instantly. Once you have completed a survey, you can get paid right away. Just be aware that it doesn't offer Bitcoin as a reward in all countries. In some countries it offers just PayPal or gift cards instead, but in many countries it does offer Bitcoin. So the last option is Coin App. This is also a passive way to earn crypto because it's a geo mining app. So if you move around a lot, it can be a way to earn without doing anything else, just having your phone with you. Just be aware that the payout threshold to get paid via Bitcoin is very high, and that will definitely take patience. Exactly how much it is in dollars depends on the current rate of Bitcoin, but in general it is usually several $100s you need to earn. But you can get paid in a cryptocurrency called XYO already when you've earned around $5. So if you want to get it out quickly, then I would suggest you do it that way. Then you can always just convert it to Bitcoin if you want to. So as you can see, there are some great methods to earn free crypto from your phone. All of these platforms are platforms that I have been paid by myself. And if you want to know more about any of them, or if you want to join them, and as mentioned, some of them actually give you a special joining bonus if you join through an invitation link, but you can find links to full tutorials on my website below here. I will leave a link to all of these full tutorials. There you can find all the information you need about each of them, and also you can find joining links at the top of each article so you can easily get started with the ones you want to join. Also, I will leave a link below to the Crypto.com app. As I talked about, they are the sponsor of this video, and they do offer a $25 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. So I will leave my invitation link for that below also. And also, if this video helped you, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video, tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.